Agaknya tay banyak keren halor kembang tingkah kebaduna pisah hado 6,000 khandai spa hinyopok lor tingkah kepalawan rak do menteri rangba kejela ubakmi ia ketenat finance ukon rat sangma lala banyak sngow ia kejing kedoru ia Jingduna neki MLA kaliang sensyar bat kumjuru kejing yaro batru kejing kentho na ki MLA kaliang persya haba beteng ia kejing keren keba ulas sedang nadu kah nyoterik uleber arajar arpusan MLA ka rong jeng na kaseng NPP Jim M Sangma ulapan ki Jingduna ki baka sarkar ka khlemla aban le na kabenta ki Jingdon kam upat ba badru ban kren halor ka Jingbam tip ka jong kum MLA ya ki skim sarkar badru ban kentu ki tanat bapher ki bapentre ki skim ban tre lang bat ki MLA nalor kata uniu MLA ha Ïngdorbar ula yang bandawa pada ban donno ya ka CNRD block Hamman Seng kabakila ban IT ye ke shithi dawa ban Kdew ye ke PHC sha ke CHC Hamman Seng ke Ïingmala ke batmai ye ke office DTO bat kumjuru ke diet center bat kiwei.
Once again I like to thank Honorable Chief Minister for present a huge budget for the state to 2025 to 26. And sir, in continuation of my speech, I was talking about the proper implementation and utilization of schemes, project of funds of state. Sir, most of the time when state budget even a huge amount also. Most of the MLAs, public representatives are not aware of the projects, funds, also from when funds of the state that implemented throughout the state. Most of the time we came to know from the people of our constituency only. Sir, I feel it's very difficult sometimes, and it's feeling it's a huge gap between the agency that implementing the schemes and the projects and the people of our constituency. It cannot be denied by the MLAs also, sir, that the projects and schemes are not that implementing in the states are also we do not aware most of the time. So in this regard, sir, I like to give suggestion and I like to ask and request the implementing agency and the department and officials also to coordinate the MLS, respected MLS also, so that we can coordinate the projects and schemes that funds that implementing in our own constituency. So, sir, in regards of my constituency, first of all, I'd like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister also for giving us more development. More development have been taken places in my constituency, sir. In last 7 years, I was elected as MLA in 2018. So if I looking back to the 2018, the many development has been taken place. It's a great change in my constituency also. So I like to, on behalf of my constituency Rongjeng, I like to give my appreciation and heartfelt thankfulness for Chief Minister, also for giving us the more giving us the development. And I also expecting for more development, sir, into my constituency. Sir, in my constituency also, I also want to request for consideration of creation of new CNRD block. That is CNRD block in Mangsang, sir. It's our demand. We have already submitted the proposals also. I've talked with my people also, and the need to create a new CNRD block. So, sir, in this regards, I like to request once again our Chief Minister and the government also to look into the matters for the creation of new CNRD block in Mangsang. And sir, moreover, and since Rongjeng is established a civil subdivision, I could see in the budget speech that the new...
Please wind up, please. We have limited time.
Office, 2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes. New office buildings, the government is taking to construct a new office building. That means a civil subdivision building to our civil subdivision. So, sir, I like to thank for this one also, not only to Rongjeng, but to the new created civil subdivisions also, sir. And also, I like to give one more. I also like to upgradation of Mangsang PHC, sir. Still till today, it's only PHC. So I like to upgrade. I like to ask the government to upgrade of Mangsang PHC to CHC. And sir, veterinary office in Rongjeng also, it's a very dilapidated condition. It's a bad step. It has been built in the long time back, so, sir. So I like to request to sanction a new infrastructure to our veterinary veterinary buildings, sir. And sir, this...
Please wind up. We have 30 speakers.
1 minute, sir, only 1 minute.
We have 30
one
speakers.
point, sir.
I have given you enough time, please.
1 point, sir, only.
1 minute, 1 minute, just 1 minute,
okay,
please.
Sir.
Don't
Okay, thank
delay.
you, sir. Okay.
Speak quickly.
And also, sir, I like to talk about the DT office, District Transport Office of William Nagar also. It's a bad condition, and it's also in the dilapidated condition. So I like to ask the government also to sanction a new building for the William Nagar DTO office. And sir, for the diet office also, I like to request to give the new to establish a new diet center in Rong.
Please wind up.
Thank you, sir. MLA kaliang persya na dadengre nagaseng Trinamool Congress urupa marakpan ula kren halor ke Jingdun kam ban yu no ya giling sun ban Ïuhkjat no ha Baljek airport ha jengjal Kaba ulaong. Kumbakalong nya menta dang Tang ya ka Tamasa megong ban wan ha katekal ka ling sun kata man la usnem. Nalor kata ula Kdew ya ke jingple ya ke jengjal oxygen plant ka bahado menta kimpat trekam hakaba ulaong amdai tang ban supli henre ban pentrekam ru kumju ya ki weipat ki kam penroi. Shushu ula dawaru bade ban Kdew no ya ke dadingre kum ke district kum balapau hakilat pathai khubor.
I would like to be very, very, very specific in some issues which I would like to highlight. Due to the paucity of time, though I am long in height, I'll have to cut my speech short. There are so many incomplete projects in my constituency. So I would like to draw the attention of the government towards those incomplete projects which is still not functional under my constituency, Dadengre. Number one, Jengjal Airport, which we have already discussed in the question hour also. So I would like to urge the government of today to make it functional at the earliest. Every year, we, with high hopes and expectation, are always looking out for the functional of the Jingdal airport, but in the end, every year, only Megong festival is landing in the airport. So this time, we hope, with high hope and aspiration on this government, that not only the Megong festival, airport will be landing, the aeroplanes will be landing in the Jingdal. And another one, which is incomplete, I would say, is Jingdal oxygen plant. It has been inaugurated some 3 years back to meet the shortage of oxygen cylinders in Garo Hills and some western parts of the, the West Khas Hills district also. But it is not functional yet. Only the inauguration doesn't mean that we have achieved. So we have to make it functional. And Jingdal Farmers Market, it is also another project which is yet to be made functional. So with this, these 3 points which I would like to concentrate, focus, Jingdal Airport, Jingdal Oxygen Plant, and Jingdal Farmers Market. So now it has become an eyesore to the mocking point for the people also. Now Jingdal has been called, because of this incomplete projects, Jingdal has been called like Jingdabol. Jingdabol, which means waste dumping ground. So I would like to draw the kind attention of the government to look into these matters. And the long pending demand of the people of Dadingri is the creation of district in Dadingri. Upgradation of Dadingri civil subdivision into a full-fledged district. I am very much happy with the news item which carries that the government is examining the feasibility of creating Dadingri district. If it can be done in the earliest, the people of Dadingri will be very, very happy, and we can expect many things from the present government. In the past, it has been witnessed that there has been exercise in the equal creation of districts. If one district is created in Khasi or Jaintia Hills, one is always created in Garo Hills region also. But in 2021, Marang has been upgraded into a district, but Garo Hills has been left out in creation of the district. So I would like to demand the creation of Dadingri at the earliest. And it is worth mentioning that Damalasam police station is without a building. It is functioning without a building, sir. It was created in 2017. After 8 long years also, it is being functioned without a building. It is being functioned in a forest office, or forest IB, sorry. So, even the staff quarters are not there. The police personnel staying there, working there, they are staying in a very poor condition, in a bamboo makeshift camp, like the terrorists used to stay in the movies we used to watch. So I would like to draw the kind attention of the government to give special attention to that, so that a police station building can be constructed in Damalasam. And another, Dadingri MEPDCL office is also functioning in a residential quarter in the block office complex. So a new office should be constructed for the better functioning of the office. And Jingdal civil subdivision has already been created, but no infrastructure development has been done in this regard. So administrative building should be there should be constructed at the earliest, and all the necessary staffs, required staff should be appointed at the earliest for the better administration and service to the people. And it has come to my knowledge that Office of the Executive Engineer, Dadingri Zone, has already been created. But sad to say, the Executive Engineer's office is being functioned from Tura only, not in Dadingri. So, I would like to request the government of the day in this August House to construct an office in Dadingri itself so that people can avail the benefit. And I have already talked about the farmers' grievances in the question hour also. So, lots of people are suffering in my constituency due to that bad road disease. As in the course of reply from the Honorable Minister, it was replied that all necessary measures are being taken and awareness programs, sensitization programs are being provided to the farmers. But I have come to know from the ground that there is no such programs being organized for the welfare of the farmers. So, may I get the attention of the government towards the grievances of the farmers, and may I request the government of the day to address the farmers' grievances. And I would like to put forward the demand for the upgradation of Damalasam Sub-Center into a full-fledged public health center, as Damalasam has already police station. But in some cases, if some cases happen for medical examinations and all, accused as well as the victims are being referred to Dadingri, which is very far from Damalasam. So, it is required that the Damalasam Sub-Center should be upgraded into a full-fledged.
Please wind up, please. We have limited time.
Sir, may I request 1 minute?
Just 1 minute, please.
Okay, sir.
Please wind up.
Thank you. And in the education sector, I would like to draw the kind attention of the government to introduce Science and Commerce course of study in Dadingri Puri Government Secondary School, Higher Secondary School actually. And in 2004, MTET examination, MTET result was declared, but till that, those who have passed in 2024 in the results declared, they have not been appointed. But in this year itself, already one advertisement has come up for the recruitment, fresh recruitment of the teachers. So, those who have passed in 2024 should be appointed at the earliest. This is my humble demand.
Please,
with this few submission, I would like to resume my seat. Thank you.
Hagawai ka liangpan u MLA ka Mahati Constituency u ka seng NPP uba Charles Marngar haswa bandawa ye ka Jingdon kam bat ki kam penroi na kitnat bapher ula ai ka Jingero yo menteri rang ba ka jela ban ong ba umpat GUE yo Chief Minister Kumu Konrad sangma uba penyadai yelade bat ki pait ba.
Begin discussion the budget speech, sir, presented by Honorable Chief Minister. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the Chief Minister for his tireless efforts in visiting various places across the state to personally hear the issues and concerns faced by our beloved people, particularly at the grassroots level. In my lifetime, I've never seen a Chief Minister interacted with people at the grassroots level as an Honorable Chief Minister did last year. As our Chief Minister mentioned in his budget speech, merely sitting in an office and listening the people's problem through memorandums is not sufficient. I am confident that through direct interaction with the people, our Chief Minister have understood the real issue, and I trust that he will address the needs and challenges faced by our citizens effectively. Coming to agriculture, sir, let me talk about agriculture. As a local MLA representing a constituency that produces a large quantity of broomstick, I must express my gratitude to the government. We all know the market price of broomstick, but through the procurement and aggregation scheme under the Meghalaya State Agriculture Marketing Board, broomgrass has been aggregated from farmers through farmers, collectives and individual aggregation at a fixed price above the prevailing market price. This initiative has provided much needed support to our farmers. Therefore, I thank the government for taking the first crucial step in responding to the cries of our farmers in the state. However, Mr. Speaker, sir, for the benefit of our broomstick farmers, I would like to offer a suggestion that I raised in my motion during the last session, namely the establishment of skilled industries. This would provide farmers with additional benefits and opportunities to add value to the produce. Coming to arts and culture, sir, I'm happy to see that the government is encouraging our people to preserve and promote our tradition and culture in our state. However, I must be frank, preserving and promoting our culture and traditions is a difficult task without special sanctioning from the government. The members cannot manage this with only the SRWP schemes allocated for such initiatives. We should thank God that our state is very rich in culture and tradition. Be Khasi, Jantia and Garo. In Ribhoi district, sir, for example, we have 8 to 9 traditional dance, like Shat Chok Kaba, Shat Malangho and Kunjuk Kantay, Shat Pulangka, Shat Kruk Sing, Shat Lakampong, Shat Lukmi of Namsha, Shat Tayang, Nongtung and Terso, and Krut Kaba and Langhei. Through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I urge the government to seriously consider giving special fund for this Hima Ilaka and right to support the traditional annual celebration. Coming to Social Welfare Department, sir, regarding the welfare of our special friends, peoples with disabilities, the government has done commendable work through Chief Minister's scheme, providing special financial assistance of rupees 750 rupees per month. The government has also provided scholarship for the students with disabilities. However, sir, I have been informed that the government has appointed only 4 CBRN and 1 MRW in each block. Considering that each block has 100 plus villages, it is extremely difficult for such a small team to provide adequate support to our special friends in our society. People often approach the local MLAs for assistance due to the shortage of manpower. Therefore, sir, I urge the government to address this issue by increasing the manpower and ensuring that all special friends in our state benefit from the scheme provided by the government. Number 3, sir, inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule. This August House on 27 November 2018 passed a resolution to include Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. We are all concerned about this, sir, as our people raise this issue with us daily. I know that our Honorable Chief Minister and his cabinet have been tirelessly pursuing this matter with the Ministry of Home Affairs. But, sir, as a member of this August House, I take this opportunity to remind our Chief Minister through this budget session that we are all waiting for a favorable outcome. Number 4, sir, ILP, Inner Line Permit, is one of the important issues that this House adopted and passed a resolution in the year 2019. I commend the leadership of our Chief Minister in this regard. But our people are asking, when will this be implemented? What is the status? I have no doubt that our Chief Minister has been diligently following up on this matter. But, sir, since the House has already passed this resolution, we all want to see the results. As Adrian Rogers once said, whatever it is you want. Sow it, plant it, and give it, and it shall be given unto you. This is what we have asked for, and we hope that the Center will grant us this request very soon. Through you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I humbly request our Chief Minister to continue pursuing this matter with the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Point number 5, sir, I have 2 more points. Tourism Department. I'm pleased to see that the Government of Meghalaya, through the Tourism Department, I'm pleased to see the growth of tourism under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister and the guidance of the Minister in charge of tourism. However, sir, I would like to bring to your kind attention a village in my constituency, Yamkhon village, which is one of the cleanest villages in Ïuhkjat district. It has even been,
try to wind up.
just 1 minute, sir. It has even been awarded recognition by the Deputy Commissioner of Ïuhkjat district in recent years. Additionally, sir, my constituency is home to several remarkable tourism spots, such as Krem Limbit, the waterfall at Maurathut village, viewpoint at Atiar and Klimstem, and the Ïuhkjat River, which features a stone shaped like an elephant. In light of this attraction, I kindly urge the government to consider recognizing some of these sites as official tourism destinations. Sir, regarding education in my constituency, we currently have only one Higher Secondary School, that is St. Vianney's Higher Secondary School. This is a pressing need for more educational infrastructure to cater the growing demand. Additionally, sir, we required 1 or 2 well-equipped playgrounds in the constituency. A great way to commemorate.
Please try to
Just 1 minute, sir. Just 1 minute, sir. Very important point. A great way to commemorate this would be to provide such facilities as a gift to the champion team of the 63rd edition of the Super Cup International Football Tournament for sub-junior boys under 15 held in Bangalore in 2024. The Nongri Presbyterian Secondary School, which represented Meghalaya, was the proud winner of this prestigious tournament. As the chairman of the school, sir, school managing committee, I strongly believe this would be a fitting tribute to the achievement, sir.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.